The Safe Communities Task Force uses a model that was developed by the Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention called the Comprehensive Gang Model. It's a best practice model that incorporates 5 strategies: community mobilization, opportunities provision, organizational change and development, suppression, and social intervention. It's based on over 20 years of research and implementation in a number of different communities across the United States, and it's proven to be effective in reducing gang violence and youth violence in those communities. Community mobilization is engaging the community in the work that's being done. We have a monthly community meeting where we invite the community to come in and learn about what we're doing. We have a sergeant from the Safe Streets Task Force come and present at the meeting. The community meetings are open to the public. They are on the second Friday of every month from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the YWCA in Clark County on Main Street. Under the strategy of opportunities provision, we're trying to provide pro-social activities for the young people that are in our program, whether it be sports, music, art, job skills training, any type of opportunity that provides them with skills, building self-confidence, and also helping them to be involved with other young people that are doing the same thing in a positive environment. Under the strategy of organizational change and development, we have an executive team that has been developed to remove any barriers or to provide any resources that we might need in order to do our work more effectively. The executive team is made up of leaders from some of the major organizations in our community. They're in positions within these organizations where they can make decisions and change policy. Suppression is the enforcement of laws within the community. So we have the juvenile justice system, and we also have our 2 law enforcement agencies that are enforcing laws, but also holding kids accountable for the actions they're taking. When it happens to be gang-related crimes, they're put on probation. Part of their probation is fulfilling whatever court mandates that they're provided with, and that's where suppression comes in. Our community is progressive in regard to the juvenile justice system, where we've incorporated alternatives to incarceration, ways that we can engage them into the community rather than isolating them. Social intervention is one of those strategies where the youth engagement team is a component of that social intervention strategy. We're using a wraparound model, which means that you have many people at the table helping to problem solve or to case manage the clients. And the clients in this case would be the young people and their families. We have a contract with the Boys and Girls Clubs of Southwest Washington. They're implementing our prevention intervention program. They have 2 full-time case managers who work with the youth one-on-one, walking with the young person and not telling them what to do, but really asking them what they want and then walking alongside them and providing those resources.